Hello there, everyone. Ow, ow, ow! My name is Silver the Wolf, and I am Silver the Wolf from the Twisted Animatronics. And welcome back to a brand new video called A Human is Needed. Before we get on with this video, I am Silver the Wolf, and we will be reacting to is A Human is Needed. Don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video. Anyways, I'm Silver the Wolf. Ow, 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 ow! And we're going to react to this in 3, 2, 1, and go. And don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video. Anyway, let's go, shall we? Ow, ow, ow! And also, I saw him look at the moon, by the way, from the beginning. What the?
Woo-wee. Will you look at that?
Who are those two aliens?
A human is needed.
Huh? What?
Well met,
Since when can they talk?
partner.
Right. Ow, 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 oh, oh, oh. Don't know why they talk, but that's just familiarly odd. Do you guys think that was odd or not? Because I don't know.
Protect us! Oh, shit. Need help! Come on, fellas. Hurry! Cowboy up!
Well then. Right. It's almost kind of a bit like Gmod or somehow. Ow, ow, ow.
Phew. Nice job. Likewise, it is good now that we work together. Well done. That's nothing. There is no finer companion.
Really?
You're all right, partner.
Hmm.
Beware.
What the? Okay.
Excellent shot. Hell, that was easy. To our honor, we follow you.
Of course it's easy. It's a scanner. A scanner is always about to get shot for 1 mile time, or a few times to be hit.
Under attack. Our condition is grave. To the right.
Oh boy, here they go.
Save yourself. Keep going.
Right. Ha 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 ha. Well, let's just see how this plays along.
Damn it. Ah! I'm gonna lay you out. Ah!
Oh. Oh boy, here they go. Ow, ow, ow! What's happening there? Oh! Huh. Well, this is pretty bit different here. Oh! Oh, oh, oh! Sorry, I just like that moon. I just howl at the moon so much times because I'm a wolf. Doesn't mean that I could howl the moon all the time. Doesn't mean that I can always do that. Like I said, I always howl at the moon because I always do. Because I'm a wolf. Because I'm a twisted, remember? Anyways, I am Silver the Wolf from the Twisted Animatronics. Hopefully that you guys enjoy that video. Please remember to give this a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Anyways, Silver signing out.